Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change App Store country location on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your device. Then at the top right, tap on your profile. Now sign into your applet. Once you signed in, you will see this page with all your account information. Here you will see country or region. Tap on it. Now tap Change Country or Region. Select your country or region from this list. Tap Agree. Now tap Agree again. Then tap Done after completing the process. You will be able to access the App Store for the new country or region. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.